my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how to use Bodemas rule and what is the importance of that. Okay, so in Bodemas it is nothing but B for brackets of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So we have to follow this format for solving any kind of equation. Okay, by following this we will see what is the value. So first is brackets. So here we have a bracket, so let's remove that. So in this also we have multiple signs, so we should follow the next, like division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So here is a division, right? So 2 multiplied by, division is what? 3 divided by 3 is how much? 1 plus 1. And next comes multiplication. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1. And next comes the last one, 3. So this total will give you 3 value. Now let's see, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5 divided by 5 minus 3. So now the brackets are removed. Now let's go for next, like division. So this gives you 1 value, and 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 minus 3. Next what you have to solve, which is multiplication. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 minus 3. Next addition, which is 7 minus 3. This is equals to 4. So if you follow the Bodemas rule, then only you are going to get the correct answer. Irrespective of this, if you simply solve the equation in this order or in this order, you are going to get the wrong answer. Okay. A few more concepts. Okay. So find the unit digit in some value. Okay. So to solve these kind of questions, so you should know how to find the unit digit. Okay. Now let's see, 7 square is nothing but 49, 7 cube is nothing but 343, and 7 power 4 is nothing but 343 multiplied by 7. You will be getting something like 2401. Okay, and 7 power 5 is nothing but 16807, and 7 power 1 is 7. So you can see here one pattern. So after 4 the power, you are going to get a same units value. Okay, like 7 9 3 1. Why I took here 7? Because in this equation we have 7, right? So with this information, nothing but the units place is repeating after 4, after fourth power, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide this power with a 4 as it is repeating. So 7 power 105. So 105, how can I write? Is equals to 4 multiplied by something, right? So how much it is? 105 means 4 2s are 8, and you're going to get 2 5 4 6 are 24, which is 1, right? So you can write it as 26 plus 1. So the same thing I am writing here, 7 power 26, sorry, power 4 into 26 into 7, like this we can write now. So this becomes 7 power 4 whole power 26 multiplied by 7. So 7 power 4 will give you units digit as 1. So this I am taking it as 1 whole power 26 into 7. So 1 power anything is always 1. So 1 into 7 is 7. So for this total equation, you are going to get an answer as 7 in the units place. So this is how you have to solve. Okay. So you cannot multiply 7 for 105 times, right? So this kind of logic you have to apply. So we'll see other example. So units digit in this particular. So as this is a simple equation, we can multiply these units digit positions, like 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3. So 4 is a 32 multiplied by 7 3 is a 21, and no need of multiplying all these things. We are not bothered about that, right? So we are only considering units digit. So let's multiply this and this. So what is it? 2 ones are 2. So by simply seeing this question, you can answer. No need of multiplying the complete equation.
So far we have seen the simplifications which have multiplication sign in this equation. Right, now we are going to see the equation that has minus. So let's see 7 power 95 minus 3 power 58. What is the units digit? Okay. So 7 we know, right? 7 power 1 is equals to 7. 7 square is 49. 7 cube is 343. 7 power 4 is 2401. As here there is a 1, we will be dividing the power with a 4. And the same thing for 3. 3 power 1 3, 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 3 power 4 is 81. So for the 3 power also we are going to divide it with 4. Okay. So let's do that. 95 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. So we are going to get 3. So this can be written as 7 power 4 whole power 23 into 7 power 3, which is the leftover. Okay. Minus, now we will see 58 divided by 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 18. 4 fours are 16. You are going to get 2. Right? So 3 power 4 whole power 14 multiplied by 3 square. So as this is 1, 1 power 23 is 1. Okay, this is 1 multiplied by 7 cube minus 3 power 4 is 1. 1 power 14 is 1. So 1 multiplied by 3 square. So 3, 4, 3. We have seen now 7 cube is 343 minus 9. So which you are going to get it as 334. So units place is 4. So that's how we will be solving the equations. Now let's see one more example. So here you have units place 4, here 5 and 1. So 1 power anything is always 1. So now let's see 5 power. So 5 power 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. So whatever the power, it will be 5 only. So this total will be 5, right? And now let's see what is the 4 power. So 4 power 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. 4 cube is 64. 4 power 4 is 256. So you can see here, for every even, that is 2, you are getting 6, right? For every odd you are getting 4. Okay. So what I am going to do now, as it is repeating, I am going to divide it with 2. Okay. So 7493 divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 9, 2 9s are 18. 1 3, 2 6 are 12. Right. So you are going to get 1. So 6374 square whole power 896 multiplied by 2. 6374 whole power 1. Right. So this total will become 6 multiplied by this total, as its units place is 4, you can write it as 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1. From here I have took. Okay. So 6 fours are 24 multiplied by 5 ones are 5. So 4 fives are 20. So why I am not multiplying the total number? Because we are not bothered about the total number. We are just bothered about only the units place. So that's why I am multiplying units place with the number. Okay. So the answer is 0. So like this we have to solve. Not only this, if you have any other units place, like suppose if you have 6, 6 power 1 is 6, 6 square is 36, 6 cube is 2166, 6 power 4 is 1296. So whatever the 6 power, it is 6 only. So by simply you can take. We have seen 7, we have seen 4, we have seen 3, we have seen 5, we have seen 1. Okay. So before going to exam, you have to prepare all this. After going there, you cannot spend more time. No? So you have to prepare these things and just implement them. Okay. So we will be generally expecting one question from this topic. Now let's see an example using dividend rule. Okay, so on dividing this particular number by a certain number, we get this as question. So this is a q value and this as remainder, so this is a r value. As you are dividing this, this is your dividend. Okay, and they are asking you to find out what is divisor. So we know one formula, that is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? So what is the dividend? 12401 is equals to which we have to find divisor, multiplied by quotient, which is 76 plus 30. So if you solve this particular equation, you will get divisor is equals to 163. So by using dividend rule, we will be solving the equations like this. Okay. We will see one more example. So on dividing a certain number by 342, we get 47 as remainder. If the same number is divided by 18, what will be the remainder? Now let's see how to solve this problem. Okay. So this is, as it is dividing by, this is called divisor, right? And remainder is already given, which is 47. So we know that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we don't know what is the number. Okay, we are assuming quotient is equals to k, let. Okay, so we are not bothered about what is quotient, what is dividend. We need to find out what is just this remainder. Okay. So what is the divisor given? 342 multiplied by k plus 47. Okay. And what they are asking, if the same number is divided by 18. Okay. What will be the remainder? So as the same number is divided by 18, you can write this as a multiplication of 18. Okay, so 18 divided by 342. So on dividing 18, sorry, on dividing 342 with 18, we are going to get 9. So this can be represented as 18 multiplied by 19 times k plus. As this number is greater than 18, so I am dividing that with 18. So you will get 2. Okay, so it is 18 multiplied by 2 plus 11. So by seeing this equation, as this is a 18 multiple and this is also 18 multiple, this all will be like 18 times 19k plus 2 plus 11. So this is your quotient, which we are not bothered about. They are asking you to find only remainder. So which is the 11. So like this, by using dividend rule, we will be solving the equations.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.